So, hello everybody. First video in English. I'm getting international, right? So, usually I don't like to do audio tests because it's necessary. In my opinion, it's necessary that you test by yourself in order to understand what really does. But in this case, these things is very interesting. This is it's called Treblemaker by Mars-Tronic. Um, Usually, um, when you check out the various uh, treble bleed system, you can mess around with a lot of information and different types, different values. Basically, this thing allow me to rule them all. I mean that with this thing you can set everything to easily test on your guitar what a treble bleed circuit could expand your tonal characteristic of your pickup. So I will suggest to test by yourself on your guitars on because it's such a personal preference, and um, it's better to test by yourself. Okay, but I want to show you, and hopefully I'm gonna make you some example of how these things work and how it could be employed for you. So the guitar is this one, and it's open G, just so that I don't have I just do like this and you listen the sound. Um, this thing could be set in basically in three different ways that are explained in there. Okay, you can set it in parallel or in series or a, an interesting combination of two of them. And you have those little potentiometers to basically change the value. This one, okay, it will change the value of this one, and this one, it will change the value of this one. Okay, so I will put some link in description to understand what a parallel effect is and what a series effect is. um, in this case you will listen a combination of two of them so that you will have a whole idea or how it sounds. But just stop speaking and I will show you. Okay, because you already it really change also the taper of your volume pot. Okay, not only the amount of high frequencies that flows through the output. It really changed also the sweet spot of this. Okay, that's why I say it's really personal because you got your own preference, so you should have to fine tune these little potentiometers to match your preferences. Okay, so I will start. This is is on the neck pickup, and the volume is around 5 and the tone, let's say, around 7. Okay, listen how he reacts. I'm turning clockwise. It's full counterclockwise. Now it's full open. Listen, it is sort of gain, something like that. Um, and this one, but let's put it in the middle. Okay, something around here. And now with the series, it's just subtle, but it open up frequencies. You listen, you clearly listen here. Wow. Okay. And as I told you, this one also changed the interaction. For example, if you prefer to have some swell, I prefer in this way, totally counterclockwise. If I turn it all the way up, oh, sorry. This is more, it seems like it's more logarithmic because it closed very fast here between 7 and 10. It closed very, very much. And then it goes down gradually. If you do it all the way down, sorry, all the way up, it will change. Okay, so this thing basically allow you to experiment a lot between the values, and also you can change easily this one because it gives you let me show you. You have 6 capacitors. In this case, I mounted the first one. So this one, but you can also change between these ones. Also, depending if you have an humbucker, just like me, or if you are using this one with a single coil you pick up, so you can change values and use different values. Okay, about the capacitor, and this is the resistance. Okay, this one is the resistant pot that you can change and tune at your taste. Okay, I hope it's helpful for you and it's clear. I strongly recommend you to test on your own guitars because it's a very personal thing. And of course, there are values, standard values, for example, PRS or TV Jones, or you know, there are some typical values between the resistor and the capacitor that almost cover everybody. But I guess that well, I prefer to find my own spot. Okay, and once I decided where is the right place for this value and this value, you can also remove everything and test here. Use your tester to check from for example, from here to here, you will see, I can show you here. You will see that if you test here, you will read the value of the resistance in parallel, and if you test here from here to here, you will read the value of the resistance in series, because this little pot allow you to goes from 10 kilo ohms up to 500 kilo ohms. So is a wide range, and I will show you. If you disconnect everything, these are two clip that goes to your volume pot. If you disconnect everything, then you can use an instrument and go and test and read. Okay, you can read exactly. Sorry for the mess. You can read exactly the value you choose. Okay, between here and here. Okay, between here and here, or between here and here. Okay, so in this case is all the way down. These are 10 kilo ohm, and those are almost in the middle, 348. So I will suggest you to test by yourself. You will find some link if you want to test it in the description. If this is not enough, you can also add some graphic EQ and clearly see where is the difference. Okay, you can check exactly what frequency you're boosting or cutting, or let them pass through, right? Well, this is not necessary, but it's something that if you prefer just not to listen to your here and check with some graphic, you can use your DAW to do these things. Okay. This box is just for me. I built this box just to have the control here. Honestly, it's too close to monitors. In fact, you can see a little strange frequency, which is that one. Can you see that little frequency? That is just because this one is too close to monitors. But if I move this one far away, it will not react like that. So that's all. I hope you will try it, and you will find the best preference for you. Okay, cheers guys, see you.